Hey YouTube. So today I'm gonna be I'm at the beach and I'm gonna be scaring geese over there, Canadian geese.
I'm gonna be holding the camera.
Yeah, so here we go.
Make sure to check out my channel too, Ethan Ketty. I don't have any videos yet, but I might make a first one. I might make a first one soon, like after this video. There's the geese, or seagulls, whatever. See all the white dots there? They're all geese, and there's so many of them. Okay.
So yeah, I'm still here, and I'm gonna hold the camera this time when I scare them, okay?
Okay.
So, I scared them. Here you go.
It's gonna be all like shaky though.
No, I'm controlling it. It's okay. Scared a few there. Here, I'm just gonna walk. Oh yeah.
It sounds like they're yelling.
Yeah, they do. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. So please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
Bye.